Want to run Android apps natively on your Windows PC? Today, I'll show you 2 easy ways to install Android on Windows PC or laptop. Step 1. Download and make bootable pen drive. First, download an Android x86 based from androidx86.org. Download file and use Rufus tools to make Android bootable pen drive. After making bootable pen drive, now connect pen drive to PC or laptop you want to install Android on dual boot. Restart laptop or PC and go to boot menu option. Boot menu selection keys can be different or each brand's. Check your brand's manual. Select boot from pen drive option and press enter key. Android will start booting. Now select option 3rd. Android installation. Wait few moments while installation screen start. Now select drive you want to install Android and press OK button. Select ext4 and press OK button. Press yes to choose to format drive confirmation. Wait while drive formatting. Create EFI grub, select yes and press enter key. In the next window press yes again. Now wait until installation process going on. This may take 5 to 10 minutes. So sit back and relax. Now select reboot option and remove pen drive. After rebooting, Android will start. Now press start button and complete initial setup for your Android device. Connect to Wi-Fi and log in to your Gmail account. Complete setup wizard and finally your Android PC will start. You can install apps from Play Store like your Android mobile. That's it. Now you can game, test apps, or even use Android as a daily OS. If you found video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.